Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the solution of model paper, that is subject mathematics. So today we are going to solve this model paper 1. So this year, as per reduced syllabus, we have got 2 model papers. So now I am going to solve 2021 model paper 1 of mathematics. Okay, so let us begin now. The first question for English medium. This is the Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board paper. So the pattern of paper as well as the first model paper for this year we are going to solve. So the first question of the model paper is first main. We can see here in the first main it is given. Choose the correct answer and write the complete answer along with its letter of the alphabet. So 8 questions. In my previous video I have told you about the question paper pattern, how many 1 mark question. So I have told 8 multiple choice questions. So let us see the first one question. If the pair of linear equation x plus 2y is equal to 3 and 2x plus 4y is equal to k are coincide, then the value of k is option A 3, B 6, C minus 3 and D minus 6. So we have to find which is the correct option among this. So let me write the question. First one, x plus 2y equal to 3 and 2x plus 4y equal to k. Find the value of k. So we know that condition for coincident line. Here the lines coincide, they have told. Condition for coincident lines are A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. So we know the condition. So here A1, A is 1 upon A2 is 2. First x coefficient. Then B1 is 2, B2 is 4, C1 is 3, C2 is k. So now we know that, see, we can take first and last term or second and last, because any one if we take it is just for 1 mark na. So first and last I'll take 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by k, because our focus should be on k. Find the value of k they have told na. So first and last have taken. So k into 1 is k, 3 2s are 6. So the correct option is among this is correct option is B6. So your answer should be written in this way, B6. So the first one answer we got. Let us see the second question. The nth term of an AP arithmetic progression is AN is equals to 4n plus 5. Then the third term is, what is the third term? They have given 4 options here. Let us see which is the third term. What is given? Second one, AN is equals to 4n plus 5. So third term, what is third term? So in place of n, what we have to write? 3. A3 is equals to 4 into 3 plus 5. So A3 is equals to 4 3s are 12 plus 5. Third term A3 is equals to 12 plus 5 is 17. So third term we got 17. So the correct option among this is D 17. So the second answer D 17. This is very important paper for this year. This is the first model paper which we are solving now. Okay, now the third one question. If the roots of quadratic equation x square plus 6x plus k equal to 0 are equal. We have 3 conditions in quadratic equation. Once the roots are equal, the roots are distinct and real, and the roots are unequal. We have three conditions. So here they have told are equal, then the value of k is. Okay. So the third one question is, so the quadratic equation, which quadratic equation? X square plus 6x plus k equal to 0. So this is the question. Are equal they have told. So what we have to write? Since the roots are equal, given that the roots are equal, therefore d equal to 0. D means what? D is nothing but, this is the question from quadratic equation, that is d is nothing but discriminant. D is equals to b square minus 4ac. The value of d is equal to 0. Now bac value we need. We know that here equation is x square plus 6x plus k equal to 0 is a given equation. A place nothing means 1, b is equals to 6 and c is equals to k. How we can come to know? We know that the general form of equation is ax square plus bx plus c. So in a place we can see nothing means 1, b place 6, c place k. So let us substitute in the b square minus 4ac equal to 0. B value is 6. 6 square minus 4. A value is 1. C value is k is equals to 0. 6 square is 36 minus 4 into k, 4k equal to 0. So 36 here only, 4k I'll take that side, is equals to 4k. K is equals to 36 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. K is equals to 9 we got. So let us see the options. Here we can see third one. A 9 is a correct answer. We got 9 na. So answer A 9 is a correct answer. So let us see the fourth one question now. The value of sine 60 degree into cos 60 degree is. Okay, let's just see the value of sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree. Fourth one, sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree is. So sine 30 value is nothing but root 3 by 2. To solve this problem, you need to be perfect in the table from trigonometry. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 also is root 3 by 2. This is the values which you should remember. So root 3 into root 3 is nothing but root 3 square. Root 3 into root 3 square. 2 2s are 4. Square and root get cancelled. 3 by 4. So the correct option in this is C, 3 by 4. The value of sine 60 into cos 30 is 3 by 4. So C, 3 by 4 is the correct answer. Let us see the fifth one question now. The distance of the coordinate P 4 3 from the x-axis is. Okay, the distance from the coordinate P 4 3 from x-axis. See, let me draw just small coordinate system. That is, we know this is the x-axis line. This is y-axis. Okay, y dash. We know this. So now let me see. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Now this is 1. This is 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now from the point, let me draw. This is 4. Okay. What they have asked, coordinate 4 3, x 4, y 3. This is the P 4 3. This is x term. This is y term. X 4 here, y 3 here. From x-axis, so the distance is how much? 3 unit. We can see here till 3. So the distance from x-axis to the y point is 3 unit. You can see from x till the point is 3 units. So the answer in this is B, 3 units. B, 3 unit is the answer. From x-axis till that is 3 unit. Okay. So the next question now. A straight line intersecting a circle at 2 points is called, we know that a line intersecting at 2 points is nothing but secant. Sixth one is a secant because it intersects at 2 points. Okay. Now let us see the 7th one problem. Question number 7. Okay, here the volume of a cylinder is 300 meter cube. What is given? Volume of cylinder is given 300 meter cube. Then the volume of cone having same radius and height is, we have to find. Okay. 7th one question. What is given? Volume of cylinder is given. We know volume of cylinder. Formula is pi r square h. It is given 300 meter cube. Now what they have told, find the volume of cone. Volume of cone is equals to, we know formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. What they have told in the question, radius and height is same. So radius and height is same both. So 1 by 3 I will keep as it is. Now pi r square h value is cylinder value it is. So this pi r square h is nothing but 300. In place of pi r square h, what we have to write? 300. So 3 ones are 3, 3 hundreds are 300. So the answer is 100 meter cube. So the correct option is D, 100 meter cube. D, 100 meter cube is correct option. So you understand how we got here 100. Because volume of cylinder is given. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we have substituted the value here. So the question number 8 now. The surface area of sphere of radius 7 centimeter is. The surface area of sphere of radius 7 centimeter. So here find the surface of area of sphere radius 7 centimeter they have given. We know that surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. 4 as it is. Pi is nothing but 22 by 7. R is value given 7. So square is there 2 times. 7 into 7. 7 get cancelled. 7 4s are 28 into 22. So 28 into 22 is nothing but, when we multiply, we will get 616 centimeter square, because it is area. Area always in square unit. Okay. So the correct option is C, 616 centimeter square. C, 616 centimeter square. So now let us begin the second main, that is 1 mark problem. Answer the following question in a sentence each. 8 ones are 8 questions. Okay, 1 mark. Multiple choice 8 questions we completed. Now 1 mark questions. Let us see. Question number 9. How many solutions have the pair of linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0? We know there are 3 conditions. Infinitely many solutions, no solutions and unique solution. This is the question from pair of linear equation. They have asked how many solutions have the pair of linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equals to 0. For this equation, how many solution it has? Let us see. We know that A1, first equation, coefficient of x is A1, 2 B1 3. This is the first equation. So all A1, A2, A1, B1, C1, and C1 value is minus 9 for this equation. Now for this equation, A2 4, B2 6, C2 minus 18. So these are the values of two equations, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Let us see which condition it's apply. A1 upon A2. So A1 upon A2 is 2 upon 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 1 by 2 we got. Like that only B1 upon B2. 3 upon 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So like that only C1 upon C2, that is minus 9 upon minus 18. So minus minus cancel, 9 ones are 9 twos are. Here we can see A1 upon A2 also we got half. B1 upon B2 also 1 by 2. C1 upon C2 also 1 by 2. Therefore, which conditions it satisfied? A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. So this condition is for the lines are, how many solutions they have told? No, the given equation has infinitely many solutions. If this A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, which is also equal to C1 upon C2, that means the given equation has infinitely many solutions. They have asked the question how many solutions. Now for this condition, equations have infinitely many solutions. Let us see the question number 10th now. Write the standard form of quadratic equation. So 10th one question. Standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is a standard form of quadratic equation. So let us see the question number 11th now. Find the value of tan theta minus cot 90 minus theta. We have to find the value of, question number 11, find the value of tan theta minus cot 90 minus theta. Okay, so let us see now. Tan theta minus cot 90. We know that complementary angles formula in trigonometry, cot 90 minus theta is nothing but tan theta. We should know very well formula. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So tan theta minus tan theta, 0. So 11th one answer is 0. Let us see now question number 12. Okay. In the figure, here figure is given. Let me draw the small one figure here. It is given figure A, B, C. Angle B 90 degree they have told. Okay, it is told that angle B is 90 degree and they have told angle A is equal to angle C and BC is equals to 10 centimeter they have told. Find the value of tan 45. We know directly tan 45 is 1. We know directly that because in a table tan 45 is nothing but 1. But here based on sides they have told, so they have given 10 centimeter this. Now angle, we know angle A equals to angle C they have told. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Now we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. We know interior angle of the triangle is 180 degree. Sum of all angles of the triangle is. Angle A will keep as it is plus angle B is 90 degree. So in place of angle C also I will write angle A because they both are equal, is equals to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle A to angle A plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. So 2 angle A is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree. 2 angle A is equals to 90 degree. So angle A is equals to 90 degree by 2, that is 45 degree. Angle A is equals to, angle A is equal to angle C, right? So angle A equal to angle C, both are 45 degree. So we got angle, both angle is 45 degree we got. So we know that angle A equal to angle C they have given. We know that angle opposite to equal sides are equal. If these angles are equal, these sides are also equal based on congruency of triangle theorem. So angle A opposite side is BC is equal to angle C opposite side is AB. So AB equal to AC, both we got equal, that is 10 centimeter. Now they have told us to find tan 45. Tan this 45 degree is equals to AB opposite upon adjacent. AB also 10 centimeter and BC also 10 centimeter. 10 get cancelled. So tan 45 degree is nothing but 1. Okay. So based on this figure, this is the solution. Otherwise we know that tan 45 is nothing but 1. Okay. So let us see the next question. Question number 13. Write the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. This is nothing but midpoint formula from coordinate geometry. So the coordinates of midpoints are x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is the formula, midpoint, coordinate of midpoints. This is the question number 13. Let us see the question number 14 now. So the question number 14. Find the median of the scores 5, 8, 14, 16, 19 and 20. So I have told you in a blueprint video where I have sent regarding blueprint, in that statistics 7 marks I have told. So 3 marks for OG I have told and 3 marks for any mean, median or mode. So 6 marks plus 1 marks question. So here in this model paper they have asked find the median of the score. So median of the score 5, 8, 14, 16, 19 and 20 they have given the question. So we know that first we should arrange this in the ascending order. It is already in the ascending order. So what we have to find, the middle number is which? Median we have to find. So this first and last value, second and second last. So these two are the middle numbers we got. So median is equals to 14 plus 16. Middle two numbers we have to add and we should divide by 2. So 14 plus 16 is 30. 30 by 2. 30 by 2 is nothing but 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2, 15. So 15. So median of this given score is 15. Like this we have to find the median. So the next question is 15th one, state Thales theorem. Even I have told about this. It may ask state Thales theorem or state Pythagoras theorem for 1 marks. I have told already in passing package as well as in the blueprint video. So question number 15, state Thales theorem. Let me write the statement. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So this only statement you have to write when they ask state Thales theorem or state Pythagoras theorem. At that time only statement you have to write. Okay. So the question number 16. Write the formula to find CSA of curved surface area of frustum of cone as shown in the figure. Here height is given this, and this is R2 and this is R1. So we have to write the formula to find CSA of cone. We know that curved surface area of frustum of cone is, you should be perfect in formulas because 1 mark sure question is, that is, let me write pi R1 plus R2 L. Same like cone, pi RL is a cone formula, but frustum will have R1 and R2. So pi R1 plus R2 into L. Surface area na square unit. Okay. So this is about the first main, second main we have completed. In my next video I am going to start with the third main, that is 2 marks questions. Do like and share. Thank you.